Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another sneaker unboxing. We got two pairs of these, one pair from DTLR, the other pair I hit on Nike Snkrs once again. That pair won't be here for another 4 days. Yeah, another 4 days. And this one is, like I said, is from DTLR. But they never sent any shipping information. They just kind of showed up at my door. Wasn't expecting them because I didn't think they shipped yet, but they're here. So, gonna go ahead and just get right into it. Easy, just get right into it. Not gonna waste any time. Just open it, show them off, and get out of here. I'm gonna try to do, as I get back making videos, trying to be more often. I am going to try not to ramble on too much because it's more editing, but just trying to make the videos quick and simple. Empty box, toss that over there, and here we have them. Now these, they're not doing so hot, but a Jordan 1 is a Jordan 1 after all. So these are the metallic gold Air Jordan 1s, and they were fairly easy to hit on DTLR. I haven't really been hitting anything on DTLR recently. The other pair I'm getting in the mail is from Nike. Now, I hit Nike Snkrs, 2 releases that I went for in a row. I hit the Paras that you guys hopefully will see before this video. Or not the Para, yeah, the Paranoise, Air Force 1s. 2 releases in a row, so Nike Snkrs is finally starting to like me, it looks like. So maybe I'll hit some SB Dunks or something like that in the future. But let's get into this. Like I said, I didn't want to ramble, and I'm rambling. But we're going to go ahead, take the top off, toss them over there, and here they are. The black metallic gold Jordan 1s, and here they are, the black metallic gold Jordan 1s. Like I said, I will have another pair in the mail from Nike coming in. This is size 10 from DTLR. The Nike pair is a size 9. I will have another unboxing of that pair at the ending of this video after this, so I will do my outro in that video. Alright guys, so the package from Nike has arrived, so we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it. Go ahead, one side, 2 sides, and maybe be able to cut this one right here. Start in the middle, get one side open, and it should just be able to do that, peel right open. So go ahead. Almost cut my finger on the knife. That would not have been good. And maybe I did. No, we're good. Go ahead, and as you guys can see right here, go ahead, take that out, toss the box over there, and here they are. These are a size 9. So I got a size 10 from DTLR, and this is the size 9 from Nike. So go ahead. We already know what we got inside, so just go ahead, take the top off, take the shoes out, and here they are. So this is size 9 from Nike, another Nike Snkrs dub, and I got another one on the way. If you guys will want to check in, they will be here sometime this week, so stay tuned for that. But go ahead, we're just gonna toss that over there. But the metallic gold Air Jordan 1s. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below if you guys cop these and what you guys think of these. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand Fizz New York. And I will see you guys on the next video. That's it. Peace.